Hello everyone, it's Ada here. Thank you so much for stopping by. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you an Instagram tutorial on how to set daily reminder on Instagram. It's easy and simple. If you're interested, continue watching. The first thing you're going to do is to locate the Instagram app on your phone. You tap on it. So once that opens, you go to your profile picture down here. You tap on it. Then next, you go to these three lines here, you tap on it. Then next you go to your activity, you tap on it. Next you tap on time. Then next you go down here, manage your time, set daily reminder, okay? Then you tap on this arrow here. So this is where you get to set your reminder by choosing any time and minutes you want. As you scroll, you see the time, okay? And it goes like that. So once you set the time here, then you go ahead and tap on set reminder set. Okay, so once you go here, you're going to see the reminder here, as you guys can see. All right guys, so this is how to set a daily reminder on Instagram. Hope you found this video helpful. If you found it helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and as well subscribe. Thank you for watching, and see you guys in my next one. Have a lovely day. Bye for now.